So I told you that enough. You told me how my face has report. I'm going to go to Mandela. Hey, Papa, you know, Mandela who opened in there and putting in any toilet because in beginning of coming to like this, I told you the right from 1991, we have been get a call. No money,
sizofaka nale bag phela makanesikhathi
You disrespect us on our own country. You say that we are